Dear sir, this video will help you a lot in choosing the right entry, as I have discussed the copyright of the stolen website and the information that the website will have problems next. I have given copyright to Google with my design and layout codes, and the stolen website will never be indexed by Google and will not show up in search engines, so no one will find it. Marketplaces are notorious for such freelancers. Let's look at the stolen website. I copied and pasted the link and entered the website. Although the website is nice to look at, it has my custom code and layout that can never be deleted, and it is completely under my control. So close this entry and see another stolen entry that is just stealing my pictures. Did you see? These are my pictures. Let's match them with my website. See what pictures he stole. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! What I do? This is the state of the freelancing marketplace. Everyone just fakes, steals and duplicates. And this is why clients like you do not get good web developers and get confused again and again. Let me show you how to control his copyrighted website, which he stole from my website. Shortly after the copyright was struck, Google showed me the original codes of the website that I had developed and added to the website. And the website is now offline. You see how I control the whole website. And I will show you the website by uploading it online. Ida and the original Spanel. And welcome to my channel. I entered the file manager to upload the website. I will create a directory folder here and upload my code. I named the folder Copyright Website. So let's upload the website. Drag and drop here. And now successfully upload this website to the directory folder. Let's access the website and type the link address name. Oh no! I typed the wrong URL. One more try for access. Yes, now we have entered the new website which has stolen the freelancer named Aminal, and he will hand over the codes to you, so the website will be in a lot of risk which cannot be said to end. If you follow my URL and Aminal's URL, you will understand. And you see that all the information of his website is coming to me, because he has developed the website using my code, so I have full control of the website. Let's talk about something else besides these. I will make a new entry because I want to see if you win the entry of Aminal or my entry where the two designs are the same. At the top he stole my design. This is my description for you. So I copy this text and paste it here. And this is the website link. Here is the price for your project. So submit and good night. Kind regards.